Hello, my name's Steve Bishop. I'm the Technical Support Engineer for Backhoe Loader Products. Today we're going to look at the E-stick wear pad adjustment on the 428F backhoe loader. Every 250 hours you should inspect and adjust the wear pads if necessary. Correct adjustment of the wear pads is necessary to give you smooth E-stick operation. So let's have a look at these pads. First job is to make sure there's no debris anywhere on the wear pads. Second job, make sure the stick is vertical. Bucket is slightly off the floor so there's no pressure on the E-stick wear pads. Next job is to loosen off the lock nuts. There are 4 lock nuts either side of the machine. For that side. Then again, same on this side. Once they are loosened, your adjusting bolts should now be enough to adjust. When you're adjusting these bolts, make sure you keep the same clearance on either side of the stick. You do that with a tape measure, just to make sure you do get the same clearance. If you move the stick over to one side or to the other side, you may get binding on the wear pads and it won't operate correctly. So it's important to remember that. To adjust the wear pads, tighten the bolts up. And same on the other side. Don't over tighten these bolts, otherwise you will end up with a very tight stick that won't operate. Once those are tightened like that, again, just double check you have got the correct clearance on both sides. This one is equal. And tighten up the lock nuts. And that's it. That's how easy it is to adjust the E-stick on the F-Series backhoe loader.